Professional Skills for Success workshop kicked off. Workshop 2. We're here at Tranquillity Government Secondary School, my alma mater, and I'm so excited to be here. So let's see what today's going to be like. We have Mical Teja and Afiya Bishop going to be joining us today. So stay tuned. So for those of you who just came in, my name is Nicole Thomas and I am your facilitator for today. Can I get a yeah like you eat? Yeah! Wonderful, I love that. On the workplace, the way you show up for things, people are able to think or they assume things about you. You guys agree with that? Yeah, when you walked in and you saw me, you'd have made an assumption about me. You'd have decided if I look trustworthy, if I look like somebody you want to listen to, and that kind of thing.
As you get older and you leave school, you're going to meet a lot of different people from a lot of different areas in Trinidad. And the thing is, the most important thing that I had to learn was not to compare myself to them or try to meet up to them. So some of them would be like, oh my gosh, I want to go to this restaurant, or I want to go on this trip. And I would be like, oh my God, I want to go too. So I would take all the money that I was making and spend it on clothes, on shoes, on handbags, on trips, on food. And especially when I had my first store, and I feel like that was my biggest mistake. And I always think back, even today, if I had saved at least some of that money to put towards anything else that I wanted to do in life that would have had a turnover, it wasn't the best decision that I made.
I feel like giving up. Every day I used to wake up every day and feel like giving up. But it's very unfair to give up. Hear what I say that, right? When you see, I see so much people, so much youth men who could play football, could do music, could do all kind of things, right? And if they were given the opportunity like myself, they'd have probably gone and excelled. So the fact that I have the opportunity to do something, I can't be lazy and complain and, it have 10 other people willing to have this opportunity, so I have to make the best of it. They could feel like giving up, but don't give up. What's your artist name? Nando. So I'm looking on for now, for the next couple of weeks.
Just the other attack. Honestly, man, I never know what would have been the last night, if I never know till you can. Honestly, me they gonna know me, I go carry on. Even if it's for another day, but I know you're in a better place. Yeah.
Lawrence ain't come to New York City. Says she coming home cause she wants her to play. Lawrence ain't call out in New York City. Says she coming home cause she wants her to play.
And you take nothing away, take this away. A company is not interested at that point in where you live or what your hobbies are. Companies want to know how you can add value. So it's called, I call it a VAP, your value added proposition. My value added proposition. My name is Kirtia Arthur. I have over 22 years of experience in business administration and project management. I am a natural leader. I love leadership and I enjoy taking charge of situations. I have a high bias for action. I'm a make it happen person. If you give me a task, when you give me a task, I will complete it faster than most. I will ensure that it's thoroughly followed up on, and I will ensure that the results that you expect, I deliver. I've done this, as I mentioned before, for over 22 years. I have over 4,500 hours in project management experience, and I'm looking forward to how I can add value to your company. Did I get the job? Yes.
What was your biggest inspiration that helped you move forward in your music career?
One of my biggest inspirations was this realization, right? There is a youthful entitlement issue that a lot of us have. We have this thinking that I am young, And this person that is older than me, eventually this person is going to get old, and I must be in that position. And I realized that thinking, that entitlement thinking, you have to get rid of it because you have to earn your place. So one of my biggest inspirations was realizing that if I want to excel, if I want to be anything, I can't wait for anybody to come and give me a handout and come and help me. They only help winners. They only help people who will get up and go. If I don't see you getting up and doing something, why would I help you? Why would I want to help you? So that was my biggest inspiration as a young fella.
So, okay, we just finished up with the workshop, and I must say the kids were really amazing. They asked some really good questions, kind of threw me off guard a bit as well, but I think overall, you know, I was able to at least leave some level of impression on them, and hopefully I could see some of them in the music, you know, big up to the artist Naldo. Can't wait to hear more music from him as well, and I think it was just a great experience for both of us as well, you know. I and all learned something, so, you know, it truly was a blessing to be here and, you know, just giving back to the kids, you know, so, yeah.
I'm Afiya, owner and designer of Loud by Afiya, and when Nicole asked me to come to talk about, you know, the fashion industry and my career as a fashion designer at my old school, Tranquillity Government Secondary, I had to jump at the opportunity because I would do anything for my old school, and honestly, this was such a great workshop. I felt like the students really took in all of the information and are now ready for the work world. We had Mical Teja come in and talk about, you know, his career, and I feel like it was so important for creatives to also do a small presentation to them, because that's not always, people don't always look at the creative industry as an avenue, you know, as the first avenue that they want to jump in for a career. And they got some really good information, and I got to meet the amazing students, and I'm really happy that I was invited to come.
Hi, good morning. My name is Kirtia Arthur, and I go to Tranquillity Secondary. I would like to say this workshop was very sweet. It teaches you everything that you need to know in life, how to move forward in life and stuff. If you need tips about being classy, being cute and nice, it was really nice. I enjoyed it, and I can't complain at all about anything about it. Today was very fun. I laughed, I pay attention for the first time really, and I really enjoy it. I will come back again if I have any time again.
Hi, my name is Shafi Patrick, and I am from Tranquillity Secondary, and I would like to say that this workshop was really wonderful. I would definitely say that this built my character moving forward in life. It was really wonderful, and it was really thoughtful. It was really amazing. The experience was really wonderful, and I'll definitely do it again.
Hi, my name is Malik Ribeiro, and I'm from Tranquillity Secondary School. This workshop was very motivated, and I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot of few things about how to go through an interview, and it was very enjoyable. And if this ever happens to your school, you should really consider joining. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Ronaldo Edmond. I am from Tranquillity. I go Tranquil. And today, the workshop, it was real nice. I really doubted I wasn't going to come, serious thing, but I come and it was real nice. Although I come late, I get to show everybody, you know, the little skills I have in singing. I get to meet Mical Teja. It was real nice. But I enjoy myself today. Anytime it happens again, I sure want to come, and I want to try to come early. Serious thing, it was real nice. I enjoy myself. It showed me how to be better off in life, how to stop straight and all those sorts of things, you know. But it was real nice and thing, man. I enjoy myself.
Okay guys, we just wrapped up workshop number 2, and we're here at Tranquillity Government Secondary School, my alma mater. I'm so excited to be here. I'm excited because I get to do Tranquillity again the right way. When I attended Tranquillity Government Secondary, I was actually not a good student. I was one of those students who you'd want your kids to stay away from. I was actually a delinquent. You may not believe this, but I would cut classes, skip school, I would get into trouble, get suspended for fighting, you name it. I did it in secondary school and did not study my schoolwork. So I'm happy I got the opportunity to come back and just share just some of my mistakes so that the kids know that they have a great opportunity in front of them and they should not squander it. So I'm excited to be here. We had Mical Teja, we had Afiya Bishop from Loud by Afiya, and they did an incredible job. And of course Mical sang, so he did a great job. And the kids were so grateful, and I just love being here, the vibe, the atmosphere. There's no place like home, and this is my school home.
Lauren said call out in New York City.
Say she coming home cause she myself to play. If you hear she ballin', I need a little runaway. Lauren coming home for Canada, I need a little runaway. This woman done punch she body bag, I need a little runaway.